2018 Audi RS5 Coupe. Audi is not a brand we associate with weakness. But with its performance models rare cracks have been known to appear. The R8 remains the closest anyone has come to beating the Porsche 911 at its own game in the last 50 years. That it came from a brand associated with upscale sedans and SUVs is all the more impressive. And yet when it comes to creating convincing rivals for BMW M and Mercedes-AMG out of its core range, Audi still seems to struggle. Back in Europe, its A4 and A6-based RS van wagons have a strong following and a consistent run of form back to the original, Porsche-engineered RS2 of the mid-90s. Experience of pioneering, and successfully marketing, technology like four-wheel drive and heavily turbocharged small-capacity engines decades before they became industry standards should also give Audi a great foundation. And yet the original RS5 is a typical example. It looked great, its box-arched butchness setting it apart from regular A5 coupes and offering a visual link to the iconic Quattro of 80s rallying fame.